Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to get Facebook Marketplace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So some of times we can't find the marketplace option on our Facebook profile. To get this marketplace option, go to help and support and click on report a problem. Something went wrong. Choose an area and from here you have to select marketplace, and now describe here marketplace option is not available on your profile, and then you can attach a screenshot or video, and after that click on submit, and as soon as possible Facebook will fix your problem and you will get marketplace on your Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.